Hi, my name is Mrs. Manning, and I'm one of the instructional support teachers here at Lincoln Edge. Today, we're going to talk about how to navigate in courses in the Buzz Learning platform. So, as you can see on the Edgenuity dashboard, in this academic snapshot, it lists which learning platform your course is in. So, the algebra and astronomy courses are in Edgenuity, but walking, fitness, and arts and crafts are in Buzz. So it is very important that you do not forget your courses in the Buzz Learning platform. They will not show up with your Edgenuity courses. See, the student is enrolled in 4 courses, but when I click on algebra, I will only see the 2 courses that are in Edgenuity. You have to click on the courses in the Buzz Learning platform separately in order to bring up the Buzz dashboard. So as you can see, here are the 2 courses in the Buzz dashboard. Each course has an icon, the course title, the course start and end dates, a progress bar indicating your progress within the course, and your overall grade in the course so far. So when you click on the icon, it will bring up the course material. As you can see, this is definitely set up differently than courses in Edgenuity. You have a list of activities and you have a to-do list. The list of activities is all of the activities for the course. The to-do list lists which activities you are behind, which activities are due presently, and which activities are due in the near future. So as you can see, this student has already completed the course home, course introduction, and sections 1 and 2 of Unit 1. So next they need to work on section 1.3, training plan. Here are the activities in this section. There's content, there's a discussion board indicated by these 2 speech bubbles, there's 2 assignments to upload indicated by this icon here, and there is a quiz. Let's take a look at each type of activity in the Buzz Learning platform. So, when you get to the course content, you will first read through this material. Once you have read through the material, you need to click Mark this activity complete in order to move on to the next activity. So even though you didn't actually submit any assignments, the activity of reading the slide is considered the activity and you need to mark it as complete in order to advance to the next activity. Now, this is a discussion board. In the walking fitness course, it's called a team huddle. So you would read through this discussion topic and add a discussion thread to converse with other students within the course. So this asks, what are some ways that you motivate yourself to exercise? So I would click on plus new thread. I would type my answer. I exercise with friends. And then click post. Once my post is submitted, I can then advance to the next activity. Now, my next activity is something that I need to complete in a Google Doc. So I have viewed the online lesson. I read about training schedules. So this is the online lesson and the information that I need to click on and read. And then I'm going to click on Google Doc in order to complete the assignment. So you want to make a copy of this assignment for yourself, and it will show up in your Google Drive. And then you're going to create the training plan. Okay, so after I complete this assignment, I cannot submit this as a Google Doc. I must submit my assignment as a PDF. So this is very important because sometimes students will submit assignments in the wrong format. They will get a 0 for the assignment and it greatly affects their grade. So again, I complete it in Google Drive. I click File, Download as a PDF document. Now this assignment shows up as a PDF in my Downloads folder. So now I need to submit it to my teacher. So I close the assignment, I scroll down, and I go to the area marked Submission. Add a file, choose. I go into my downloads, and I'm going to choose this assignment 1-3. Open and upload. Now, of course, you want to actually complete the Google Doc before submitting, but I did not fill anything in for the sake of time. Once I've uploaded my assignment, then I can submit it by clicking Submit My Work. You know that you've submitted when it says you have successfully submitted this assignment. The last type of activity you'll have in one of these courses are quizzes. So you'll click on Start, and this will be a multiple choice quiz that you complete and hit Submit at the end of the quiz. Now, when you want to know your due dates for each assignment, as if you had the course map in an Edgenuity course, you will find that here at the top where the 3 lines are that says grades. So now you can see the due dates for each assignment. So these dates are showing up in red because I submitted the assignment after its due date. Now again, that does not affect your credit on the assignment, but you do not want to get too far behind in the course because you will be overwhelmed at the end of the semester to get everything done. So I can see the due date for each assignment, when I submitted it, and it shows that I submitted the assignment with this file icon. Once my teacher has graded my assignment, they will put my score here. As you can see, the quizzes grade automatically. So this student did not get a passing grade on their intro quiz. So again, you'll see all of the due dates. Anything that is past due shows up in red until you complete it. And then current assignments are shown in black. If you have any questions about how to navigate a course in Buzz, please don't hesitate to reach out to Edge Support or to your case manager.